Welcome everybody to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. Today I'm talking about our first special offer of the month kit, and it's a good one. It's a necessary one. It's one where people are really needing to cleanse and clear themselves of negative energy from around, and also what I believe is entity and attachments, and it's becoming brutal at the moment. So what a perfect kit. Makes total sense. So what am I offering? Come on then, you want to come up? Come on then. Well, there you go, this is Lily. Oh look, she matches my top. No entities and attachments around you, is there, love? Hey? Oh, she just needs a bit of a cuddle. You alright, baby? Yeah, she wants to go out. I can feel it. She's telling me she wants to go for pee-pee and a nice run. Okay, baby, we're going to go. I'm just going to finish this and we're going to go straight away, I promise. I love you. I love you, baby. So, yeah, I'll talk to you while she's... Now she's just resting on me. Look, she wants to just rest on me. You see there? She just wants to lie down on me. All right, okay, so... Out of all my travels, out of the hundreds and hundreds of incense sticks I used to work with, this is the best, I believe, in my world. There's nothing to touch this. So these are sacred negative energy cleansing sticks. They're predominantly Palo Santo. They burn amazing. So 3 minutes around your body every day before you go out. When you come back in, fantastic. These sticks will last for ages. Just rub them out as soon as you've finished and they'll last for ages. So that's great, really beautiful. Next, sometimes you can't burn, okay, because you're in an office. So this is cleansing attachments. So what's inside here? Pure alcohol mixed with the most potent and absolutely strong sage. So that's this. A couple of sprays around you like that. 2 or 3 sprays. Wow. Strong. Woo, that's strong. Hey, Lily, strong stuff. Okay. Then what comes with it is cleansing negative energy aura spray. So this one is, that one's the strong stuff. That's really strong. This is just for cleansing yourself at any given moment. It's a beautiful, beautiful oil which is in here. Again, 100% alcohol mixed with the purest Palo Santo. So the oil is just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Wow, you're gonna love these two. They're absolutely amazing. Amazing. And they'll last for ages. These two will as well. What you get also is my original healing oil. Absolutely incredible oil. You can use this on your body wherever you feel. And sacred oil. Again, with sacred oil, you've got 3 blends in this one. So you've got frankincense, which is from the best source of frankincense. Then you've got Palo Santo and you've got sage, all from the best sources, all organic, all food grade. So beautiful, mixed with safflower. Beautiful. This one, well, wait till you get it. You'll love it. It smells gorgeous. And last but not least, let me go and grab one. The piece de resistance. This is Mo-Sitsi. Mo-Sitsi is from Burma, and in my world, it's one of the most powerful crystals to keep away and to clear out any kind of attachment, any kind of negative energy, any kind of entity or demonic energies that you think you might be attached to, or might be going into a certain place where you think that person's not in a good place, they've got attachments. You wear this all the time and you'll find that you won't be attacked. You won't have any issues. In fact, they normally bog off. They might look angry, but they don't come and approach you. So what we'll do with this one is that each kit I will specially choose one out of my collection of Morsitsi. Okay, so genuine peace. All of them together, including free DHL worldwide, normally gets to you in a few days, a week at the most, but normally a few days, depending on where you are in the world. That is also included. The whole price is over £300 over, but I'm going to knock off whatever it is over plus 100, so it's going to be 200. And here's a beautiful thing as well. You will automatically receive, I get them, but you will automatically generate 4 tickets. 4 tickets. And at the end of October, I will be doing a raffle, and you could be the winner of over 4,000 euros of my personal crystals. The most beautiful collection I've done in years. I think this is going to be an absolute treat. So there you go. And for anybody who's watching this now who says, well, I don't think I need the kit. Well, if you buy anything at markbayerski.com and it comes to £50, you will automatically get a ticket. I get it and put it in a bowl, so you'll be in the raffle. So the more tickets you get, the more chance. But then this is for my clients who come from day to day. I wish you a lovely day. I hope you appreciate these. I think there's only 10 available. So there's only 10 of these kits available at that price. And yeah, you might be the lucky one. Have a great day and enjoy the cleansing and the clearing and the protection of all the negative energies that are around us these days. Take care. Bye for now.